Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to stream games on YouTube from mobile. So in order to stream games on YouTube from mobile, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to stream game on YouTube from your mobile, you'll need to first of all select the broadcast gameplay, and then you need to select the YouTube again. So first of all, what you have to do is, once you're done selecting the following broadcast, you need to open up, or you need to select the YouTube app once again, and you need to go ahead and tap the plus button located right at the bottom and click on go live. Once you've done that, you need to enable all of the permissions, and after that you need to go ahead and open the settings in order to enable all sort of permissions. Once you're done, you can go ahead and add a title. You can also add a description whatsoever, and you need to follow the steps to create a live stream. And for user age 13 through 17, on YouTube, your default mobile live stream privacy settings is set to be unlisted. So you need to make changes with your settings and all sort of things, and tap the go live button once again, and to end your stream tap the finish button, and that's basically how you can stream game on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.